Ubizo Lungibize engalweni Ngiyokhalela bani nayi iphimbo lami liphindaphinde entabeni Ngithi inyawo zami ngibeleze kulomhlaba nemsini Ngifunana noxolo engalweni Kukhalisa maye emzini kaMkhulu umkhodola usekhaya
Sawubona to you, sawubona to yours, from one great spirit to another. Igama lami uThulane Malevu. Welcome to Ubizo. Today we unmask the ghost in the machine, the system that replaced the whip with the wage, the chain with a contract, the overseer with an algorithm. They told us empire ended, but the empire never died. It simply upgraded its software. When the colonizer folded his flags, he didn't pack up power and go. They transferred it into corporations, banks, and boardrooms. The colonial charter companies, East India, Dutch VOC, British South Africa Company, were the prototypes of modern multinationals. They looted under royal seals, baptized greed as trade, and rewrote sovereignty into shares. After independence, new nations inherited the shell of governance, but the arteries of wealth still flowed outward. Copper from Zambia, gold from Ghana, oil from Nigeria, all priced in foreign markets, all managed by descendants of the first traders. The plantation became the mine, the overseer became the CEO, and the empire became the economy. A house built without spirit rebuilt its own prison. Then came the high priest of the new faith, the International Monetary Fund, the World Bank, and the quiet altar of debt. Loans dressed as aid, policies called a reform, but each signature tightened the invisible chain. They said, privatize your water. They said, open your market. They said, cut your people's wages to pay the bondholders. And we did, because the colonizer had changed uniforms. Now he wore a suit and carried spreadsheets. The true map of empire was no longer drawn on land, but on balance sheets. They sold us freedom in installments. They called it progress, but every payment was a prayer to a God that never lived here. Today, the mines are digital. The resource is not diamond, it is data. Every click, every like, every search is extracted, traded, and weaponized. Alkebulan, Africa as you know it, the youngest continent, is the richest in information potential. We're not even the youngest continent. And again, the same story repeats. Foreign companies build the infrastructure, own the servers, they store the data abroad. Our thought, our culture, our behavior fed into algorithms designed to predict and control us. The colonizer once took our names, now it takes our metadata. And in the cloud, the empire hides in plain sight. What the eyes cannot see, the hands will still feel. Power no longer needs soldiers, it only needs stories. Media became the modern missionary. Propaganda became prophecy. The camera became the colonizer's most loyal gun. They no longer say civilize the savage. They say develop the underdeveloped. They no longer say Christianize the native. They say globalize the market. Different wounds, same gospel, same goal, obedience disguised as aspiration. Hollywood and headlines tell us who to fear, what to buy, and what to forget. And so, the empire speaks softly now, in slogans, in screens, and in statistics. Look closely, because behind every border conflict, behind every humanitarian intervention, behind every coup lies the scent of a contract, oil, cobalt, uranium, or lithium. This is not chaos, it is choreography. The old Berlin Conference never ended. It just moved to Geneva, to Davos, to Silicon Valley. And yet, the greatest weapon of empire is still the same: forgetfulness. If we forget our cosmology, we become consumers. If we forget our story, we become statistics. If we forget our ancestors, we become algorithms. But Ubizo is not just diagnosis, it is remedy. Here is the work of the children of Alkebulan. Number 1, rebuild local economies, cooperative, secular, and regenerative. Number 2, create sovereign technology, data hosted in Africa, coded with Ubuntu. Number 3, restore ancestral governance, councils of elders and youth guided by cosmic law. Number 4, educate through truth, history unfiltered, languages unchanged. Number 5, trade within Africa first. The wealth must circulate before it exports. Number 5, sanctify land and culture, because a people without sacred geography cannot be free. This is not rebellion, it is restoration. It is the return of divine architecture, a blueprint of harmony, not hierarchy. Izwe liyakhuluma nalabo abalaleleyo okanye abalalelayo. The land speaks to those who listen. The empire wrote its story in steel and money, and we will rewrite ours in memory and rhythm. They designed systems to control the body, and we are building systems to free the soul. Great children of Alkebulan, remember this. The matrix is man-made, but spirit is eternal. The old order trembles when one awakened child of Alkebulan remembers who they are. Until next time, okuhle, umusa, kanye nokukhanya ekuhambeni kwakho. Light, mercy, and blessings upon your journey. Ubizo, the call continues.